Meaning of elver.
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 Elver. Elver refers to a young eel that has yet to mature and become fully grown. These eels are typically found in freshwater rivers and streams, and are an important part of both the ecosystem and several regional cuisines around the world. Elvers are often harvested in large numbers and then sold to restaurants or other culinary establishments where they are cooked in a variety of different dishes. In addition to being a popular food item, elvers also play an important role in maintaining balanced ecosystems and are considered an indicator species for the health of many rivers and streams.